few minutes ago, I found this. It's just laying around in my neighborhood. It was by the dumpster, but there's a whole ton of technology. I have it in the garage right now. And some of it, including this in-box iMac, which is surprising. But yeah, here we have an Inspiron 3500 taken apart already by the last user, the last owner. And well, yeah, it comes with this thing. It's Windows 98, which surprised me. I thought this was like Windows XP or something. And there's the keyboard. But the real question is this thing even alive? So we're gonna test that out just by connecting with the power. Yeah, it's on the side for some reason. And the power button is located right around here. I don't see any lights coming from those LEDs, indicating that it's receiving power. Let's see. Oh! It's alive. Is it? Oh yeah, it is. Huh. The screen is just completely detached. Look at this. Check with the connection there. What's it reading? Operating system not found. Looks like this thing doesn't have a hard drive. Or does it? I'm not sure. I can't find it anywhere. Weird. It does have two built-in speakers on the sides, though. So like, there's that. But yeah, it does not have a hard drive. Carefully lift this up here. Look at the bottom. There's the RAM, if you can see that. There's even this. If I just turn this thing off, there we go. Oh, that's it. Okay. If you look at the bottom, you can see the ports. This is a really long one. I have no clue what that is. VGA. And there's two hidden ones. Look at this. It's just a piece of plastic there. Unless it's removable. Oh yeah, it is. I thought they were tricking. But yeah, there's two right there. USB? Where's the USB? Well, there's only one. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there's only one right there. That's it. This thing is literally from the late 90s. Was not expecting it. Was not expecting that. I thought it even came with this, which is actually pretty cool. It's actually pretty useful. It's a wireless adapter. I wonder if it'll power on if I put it in. No. Well, yeah. Look at the plan. I think this might be worth restoring, but yeah. See you guys in the next video.